Did you know that the way you think about money will determine how much of it you make, how much you accumulate more than any other factor? Your attitude toward money affects your ability to achieve financial freedom and become wealthy, and your attitude is under your control. If you're really serious about achieving financial freedom, financial independence, you will want to know the 5 main ways that fortunes are made in this country or worldwide. Number 1, on top of the list, is self-owned businesses. The primary road to wealth throughout history has been entrepreneurship of all kinds, including in real estate. 74% of self-made millionaires in America, not only in this generation, but in this century and the last century as well, come from self-owned businesses. Now, the great majority of wealthy people started businesses and built them from the ground up. In the 19th century, fortunes were made by people like Andrew Carnegie, Commodore Vanderbilt, J.P. Morgan, and others. In the 20th century, businesses and fortunes alike have been built by people like Bill Gates, Steve Case, Larry Ellison, Ross Perot, and Sam Walton. Each of these people started with nothing but turned into wealthy people by building their business from scratch. The second major source of self-made millionaires in America is senior executives. 10% of wealthy people and self-made millionaires in America are men and women who have joined large corporations and worked with those corporations for many years. Sometimes they joined a small corporation that was just starting, like Steve Ballmer joining Microsoft, and worked at it for years until the company became a big success. Look at all the millionaires at Facebook, which just went public. These executives rose to positions of seniority. They were paid extremely well. They received stock options and profit sharing and bonuses. And as a result of holding on to the money, they became self-made millionaires and achieved financial freedom. So sometimes you don't have to start your own business. You just have to go to work for a business that's just starting, but which has tremendous potential. The third source of self-made millionaires in America are men and women who became very, very good at what they do, and they rise to the top of their professions. The top 5% in every field, like doctors, lawyers, architects, engineers, earn 5 and 10 and 20 times as much as the average person in that field. Remember the 80-20 rule. The top 20% earn 80% of the money in every field. So if you're in a professional field, your greatest commitment to yourself is to resolve to become very, very good at what you do. The fourth major source of self-made millionaires in America are salespeople and sales consultants. Fully 5% of self-made millionaires are men and women who are the top salespeople in their fields. They never started their own businesses. They never went to college or university to get professional degrees. They just became very good salespeople for their companies, for their products and services, and as a result, they were paid very good money. The secret was that they then invested the money carefully and held on to it to achieve financial freedom. And so can you. The final source of self-made millionaires, 1%, is made up of all the people in all the other areas. This 1% consists of people who have made their money by inventions, in show business, in sports, through authorship of books and songs, lottery winners, and inheritances. But these wealthy people make up only 1% of the total. Everyone else pretty much had to make it from nothing. The bottom line is that there's so many ways for you to become a self-made millionaire that it's almost impossible for you not to achieve this goal if you're really serious about it and then find out how to do it.